Welcome! In front of me I have Huawei Watch D2 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and after you see it, press the crown button again to open the menu. Once the menu opens, scroll through it and find the settings icon. And after you find the settings icon, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down and find the option called the System and Updates. After you find it, tap on it to enter. And here, find the option called the Reset. And of course, once you find it, tap on it. Finally, tap on the checkmark to confirm and start the resetting process. One thing to mention though, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30% before you start the reset, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. So you can also plug your watch to the charger during the reset. You don't need to charge the battery beforehand. You can keep it on the charger during the resetting process as well. Anyway, once you make sure that the battery is charged, you can tap on the check mark and wait until the resetting process is complete. Okay, and once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.